Alright folks, we're here with 1965 Alcort Sunfish Wave. We primed the hull yesterday to get an idea of where we need to do fairing to even out some hills and valleys. So we're using TotalBoat's TotalFair epoxy fairing compound. There's a resin and a hardener, yellow and blue. Take 3 paint sticks, one for the yellow, one for the blue, and then one to mix, and then get it all mixed up. Take your spreader and start working your way around the boat. We're just looking for little chips in the gel coat. So since this boat's going to be painted, we're not redoing gel coat. And came around, there were a lot of little pinholes along the keel, so we filled some of those. These are the epoxy repair, or I'm sorry, fiberglass repair areas right there. A few little, it's a little small divot there, went kind of a little heavy. It could scrape it all the way off to where all I had was that one little spot, but that little area, and we'll come back with 120 grit on a random orbital sander with the dust collection system and pull that off. There's another little divot there. Had some chine repairs, so we put a little bit of fairing compound over that. Another little divot right there. Here's where the punctures were. So we got fairing compound over that. It's all drying up. More pinholes along the keel. And had a repair on the keel here also where the old style rudder system, where the latch plate screw used to go through, the fiberglass sealed that up. Repaired where I put a big hole in the transom for a drain plug, which really doesn't work. And this side over here had some scratches. I'm not sure what, that were going basically athwartship, so we just put a light skim coat on these, and we'll come back and hit it with the sander, get it all smooth, and put some paint on it. So that's what we're doing on that. This will take 4 to 6 hours to dry with our 68-degree temp, and the humidity's kind of up, so that'll hold up the drying time a little bit. Mentioned our vacuum. We hook up our sander to this shop vac, and the shop vac, the air runs through this Oneida dust deputy system first, a little cyclone dust collector. And it's been doing a great job. Been real happy with that to keep the dust down in the shop. We usually will sand outside on the deck, but if we got a real small job, we can hit it inside and not fill the entire shop up with dust. So I hope y'all are having a great day, and remember to take that turkey out of the freezer if you hadn't got it out already.